Hello everyone, today we have Mrs. Sunita with us. She is the ex-executive director of NBCC Limited and currently she is working as a senior consultant for Unicrete. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, you have a lot of experience in the fields. Why do you think waterproofing should be made mandate in the building construction?
You are very correct, and it was very nice feeling to come here and attend the waterproofing seminar. And the waterproofing carries in the budget only 1 to 2% of the project cost, and the impact of the waterproofing in the post construction is huge, 80 to 90%. Most of the building problems are related with waterproofing only. If it is not done correct, whatever methods you apply in the repair and maintenance will not get the building. So it has to be mandated in all the buildings for their life, and it has to be brought to all the public by making it a compulsion. People will come to know it has a great impact on the and it will save the environment, because if the building goes waste, all the materials of this will go waste. So it will help in the global betterment. So I think it should be must, and the government should increase the budget allocation for waterproofing.
Also ma'am, why do you think it's very important to have such conferences?
To create awareness, people, because everybody, I'm from NBCC, it's a government organization, and in government you are answerable. So there are a lot of CT, CBI, and the in-house vigilance, and with a small seepage, all the structural issues they evolve. So many people in the government jobs are affected with this, and by sharing on a common platform, and things are brought out by each and everybody, what are the things to be incorporated in the construction industry in the coming years.
Yes.
So it is very, very important, because the impact it carries is huge.
Huge, yeah.
So such like should be held. Thank you.